Hello and welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option to practice our talkback gestures in Samsung Galaxy S22. So we need to go to settings first, then we are looking for accessibility menu, next talkback, and here we have our settings. In settings we have customize gestures menu. When we go here at the top we have practice gestures, and when we go in here we have a pop-up window that asks us to turn on talkback. So let's do it.
Talkback on. Practice. Finish.
And here,
Double
as you
tap
can
to
see
activate.
from this short explanation, we can practice gestures in this menu. That's it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.